Well, good morning. Welcome to the 7th week of ARP course. The clip today will be surely short and with no theoretical contents, just organization for the week. This week we will we'll do no special particular advances in the theoretical contents of the course. This week will be devoted to exercises and problems to solve related to coding, to applying the specification that we have discussed, and I will propose new problems and will ask you to solve in class, in groups, like we did several times. And I'm asking you to finish the exercises we have defined in our web. Some of them are still open. Some of you asked questions about how to solve the exercise. We will do everything in class. So please finish, and I hope that some one of you will have some material to show to the other students, like we did 2 weeks ago. It is not a prize, so there's no bonus for all that, except for maybe personal satisfaction. Doesn't matter, but don't be shy. If you have some code to show to everybody, ask, and we will discuss everything. So that's the main argument, the main topic of this week, just exercises. We can also discuss further specification of the next assignment, the first evaluated assignment, if it is the case. So in practice, that's all for the presentation of the week. I have to point out the arguments in our web, the topics in our web, only for so far 2 new documents. One is an updated version of the select document. As you know, I cannot erase previous versions, but I've written in the 2 weeks ago that the select has been updated, so there is a new release. The new release includes questions posed by a student, a really important question regarding the first parameter of the select, which is the meaning. So I've explained it at the end of the document, just after the code example, which is the philosophy of the first parameter. That is very important in real cases. Select is the most important primitive also when you write an internet or a network server using sockets that we will learn very soon. And so it's important to go deep inside all the parameters, all the facilities, all the problems raised by this relevant primitive. So you see the updated select is here. Second and last, but very important, I announced that it is a very simple poll. You have to choose between 2 alternatives for the deadline for uploading the first evaluated assignment. So here you see also rules that now are established for the exam. The exam is based on 3 assignments that will be evaluated. The one you know is the first one. 3 assignments plus a theoretical exam. The theoretical exam will be carried out using our web, and will be you will have some examples of that. So we have to establish which are the deadlines for the uploading assignments. For the third assignment, well, you know Italian students know well, but foreign students maybe not completely aware of that. We have several exam sessions, so the schedule is rich. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exam dates before next September 2021. As the most part of us teachers, we strongly suggest that you pass the exam just after the semester, so you start the new semester from scratch, with no debts. Maybe, and usually some of you will need some additional study, or so you can delay the exam to stay regularly, to follow regularly the course. You may pass this exam until next September 2021. So you have to decide when. You don't have to decide in advance, but please make a general plan for your study, so you try to have an idea of when you will do that. So the principle is that if you do the theoretical exam in our web, you must have uploaded all 3 assignments. So the third assignment, the deadline for the last assignment is clear. Just 1 minute before you do the theoretical exam. So the theoretical exam date is the deadline for the third assignment. The third assignment is big, will be big, and I think it'll be really interesting. It will force you to work in groups all over the world, connecting your codes using internet. We are together with Professor Recchiuto, we are designing the system that you will use, and will be, I believe, an assignment that is really similar to the real problems that a robotics engineer will face in his life when coping with the complex real-time distributed system. So it's important, but you have to finish before the theoretical exam. You will know which is the problem. You will know in advance, of course, so you can decide. For the first or second assignment, the first assignment, the deadline will be next week or 1 week later. Please answer the poll and choose. Don't choose automatically the second week, because if we delay the deadline for the first assignment, we will delay also the deadline for the second assignment. It will be on December, but I think it's better to fix that date, to establish that date not too late, not near the end of the year. But in any case, there are 2 choices. Please choose. The poll is anonymous, so I will have just what you feel after having considered the difficulty of the assignment, and basing on that, please ask any doubt you have about regarding this. The assignment will be all your individual assignment will be evaluated, and the rules for evaluation will be everything we have said until now, but I will also show you a mask for the evaluation that will surely include all errors management, clearance of code, everything. I will show you a mask of 10 points to take into consideration for writing a good solution that will be separately evaluated. The 3 marks of the 3 assignments plus the 4th mark of the theoretical exam will be composed, giving you the final mark. The rule approximately is just summing them. I will show you which is the formula, the right formula. But please consider that you must take into account the deadline for submitting the assignment. Otherwise, the mark of the assignment will be less, linearly less, considering the delay that you had in submitting the assignment. So that's all. We will meet on Tuesday. Please finish as much as you can your exercises. Write, take note of the questions. We will discuss all together. You will be asked to work on the problems I will propose you in groups as ever, and please answer the poll. Bye bye. See you on Tuesday.